Hello friends, welcome to our new episode where we are going to talk about SEO checklist for new projects, new client, whatever you wanted to say. It's basically for organization whose digital marketing agency or a startup. So this particular video is going to be very useful because we are going to cover like how the process, what are the process whenever you get a new client, what are the things you need to do when it comes to SEO segment. So basically you get two kind of clients. One is already existing clients because they may have doing SEO from any other agency, may have doing their SEO, and that is the one kind of client. Another kind of client you may have developed, as you are an agency, you may have developed their website and now you are taking them to next stage, that is SEO you are doing. So we have broken into five different steps in this particular checklist, where we will be starting with kickoff, first one. So how to start the project, what are the things first you need to do. So again, it's different for the like existing one and already and the new one, so it can be like completely different, and we have mentioned all the step by process. Then second stage, we will be doing auditing. We will be doing all kinds of auditing like technical audit, keyword audit, different types of audit we are going to do in this particular segment. Third one is on page, where you are going to see that what are the technical issues are there in their website, so that you make their website search engine friendly, so that search engine can crawl them and index them properly. There should be no any issue with their website when it's concerned to search engine. Fourth stage is off page SEO, where we are going to plan to build a authority or trust in front of Google. So we try to create backlinks and activities, off-page activities, where it's increase the authority and it gets more value, and Google will consider this site as an authority. So that is the off-page SEO what we are going to do, and that's the off-page checklist. Then last, we are going to do reporting, where we are actually going to track KPIs. So there should be no only one KPI that lead, this much leads came, that is the only KPI. There are so many different KPIs are there, micro actions are there. We are going to conclude that also. We are going to calculate, and we are going to find them, and we are going to teach our client also that these are why these are goals, these are micro conversions, why these are important things, and why you need to focus them, and you need to show that what are the activity you are doing, how worth is that, and how their process is going, because SEO is a process. It's not like 1 day job or 2 day job or 1 month, 2 month, 3 month finish. It's a process. Once you start, you need to do it continue process. So if you haven't done in a proper way, it's not going to give you a result. So it's very important to follow the checklist, or else you just miss out the good things from SEO. So these are the 5 things what we are going to talk about, and this particular video is not going to be too depth in the sense we are not going to show you back shoulder how to do all these activity. It's like only checklist which you need to follow for your client. Whenever you get a new client, you need to follow these things to get good results for your client. So that's it. Myself, Vipin Nair, founder of Aviv Digital, a digital marketing training institute based in Kerala. So that let's start sessions, and we will be seeing in next modules. We will be covering this into 5 modules, as well as I will be going to add some bonus videos at the end, and it's going to be in a series. So make sure you watch all the series to get the better idea about how to create an SEO checklist, or how to follow a SEO project and deliver them results. So see you guys in next video.